vamos a discutir los verbos que tienen cambio de raíz, se llaman stem changing verbs in inglés. We already learned poder is an example of an ER ending stem changing verb, and we've learned jugar is our example for AR stem changing verbs. But today we're going to focus on the verb dormir, which means to sleep. Okay, it follows the same pattern as the other stem changing verbs. Okay, so poder, the O changes to a UE. In jugar, the U changes to a UE. So the O in dormir is going to be the thing that changes in the middle of the word. It's going to change to a UE. And this is our example for IR stem changing verbs, or of an IR stem changing verb. Okay, so to say I sleep, you start with yo, because that means I, and then you change the O in dormir to a UE, and then still add the yo ending, which is an O. So it's going to be duermo. You sleep is the same pattern. You find the pronoun that you want, which is tu. You change the O in the middle of dormir to a UE, and then you add the ending es, because that's what goes with IR verbs. It becomes duermes, means you sleep. Alright, for él, ella, usted, it's the same pattern, so you still have the O changing to a UE, except again, the ending is going to be different because we're talking about a different subject. It is going to be duerme. Now, the main rule for stem changing verbs is that they change in all of these forms. They do not change in these two, the nosotros and vosotros. So, to say we sleep, it's dormimos. There is an I here because there is an I here in dormir. Again, vosotros, dormís. It's an I because dormir is an IR verb, meaning that it ends in the letters IR. Okay, so now we're back to the ellos, ellas, ustedes form, and that is going to have the stem change in it. So you have D, U, E, R, M, and then you change the ending to be the ellos, ellas, ustedes normal ending for any IR verb, which is duermen. Okay, so that was just our last example of the different kinds of stem changing verbs. We'll be continuing to practice on this tomorrow. Adios.